What's going on, guys? It's Crazy for Coins here. I don't know if you guys know, but um, I've been looking at the updates for the taxes, and I got this little thing in the mail. Yeah, not happy about it. Basically, New York State, the state that I currently reside in, is looking to do sales tax. And I'm going to tell you right now, at 8.375%, which would be the sales tax rate, I'm not too happy because you're talking gold right now is $1,300, and at 8.375%, you're looking at over $100 in tax. So, I will definitely be writing. I'll be doing something about this, whatever I can, my limited scope. But yeah, that's pretty much that. So I want to know what you guys think about this. Um, are you in a state or are you in a place that you get affected by tax on bullion, like something like this? And will it affect your buying or selling? So for me personally speaking, I'm going to be a lot choosier and potentially almost it's going to wipe me out for the most part. Where I'm not going to buy anything for the most part. I mean, I might buy here and there, but for the most part, I'm not buying anything because of this tax, because it just doesn't make the sense that it used to make. So I'm going to try. I can't right now. I can't do anything. I'm handcuffed because you guys know my financial situation, but um, I'm pretty much handcuffed from doing anything from buying. But I'll let you know based on what I get for somebody else. But anyway, um, I'm gonna keep going. So another topic is going to be Palladium, guys. Have you guys seen Palladium? My God, it's just been like on fuego. But we had a nasty pullback today. I think Palladium was down like almost $100. But is this the RSI? I'm not sure if this is the RSI, relative strength index that stands for. But I was going to say, excuse me. Anyway, this is what you see. I believe is a bar chart. I prefer candlestick charting because candlestick charting you could see on the wick. You could see the highs and lows for the day. Um, and it's just a better indicator, guys, because it can show you technical support resistance, which is really important because you want to be able to see that. And the reason for why you want to be able to see that is because, let me put it to you this way: if enough people believe in something, it has to be true. So if enough people believe in technical supports and resistance, then it must be true. Therefore, it's something that you want to keep an eye on. And you want to again, the point with trading, the point with investing, whatever not, is to know what the herd is doing and to be able to react quicker than what the herd is doing and be able, to when you buy, when you sell, hold, whatever. So I wish I got in front of this, guys, but you could see this chart. Let me illustrate it better. 10-year chart, guys. That is just extreme overextension. So I made a comment earlier, like a month and a half, 2 months ago, on Palladium when it was, I don't know, somewhere in here, that it wasn't in a bubble. Well, this chart is overextended, and I think you could easily see Palladium fall. Um, what is Palladium trading at right now? Yeah, I could see it. I could see Palladium trade down another $150. That wouldn't surprise me. Nice pullback. Sell into any type of that strength, guys. Even silver. Good example of a nice spike. Whoop. Should use the SLV on my E-Trade account. Where is it? Come on. What the heck? What? Come on. Go back. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Spike, guys. Just take some off. Take some off the table. If you get any like major parabolic spiking, this is parabolic. If you get any parabolic spiking like this, guys, take some off. Um, don't don't just hold and hope. Don't say, oh, it's going to go to the moon. It's going to go to $1 million an ounce. Take some off. Keep a core position, but keep in mind, guys, that gold and silver does have risk, and this will be for another video topic. But don't just think gold and silver is the end all be all. Oh, there's no risk. All investments have risk. Whether you're holding fiat currency gold and silver, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, property, futures, forex, whatever it may be. All of it has risk. So keep that in mind. Now, is there anything else? Oh, yes. For whatever reason, eBay is not working on here on my laptop. So when I go to type in eBay or whatever, not it won't load the site. It works on my phone, but it does not work on my laptop. So quick note: eBay has eBucks going on right now, and I found a couple of good deals. One with eBucks, one with not without eBucks. So Atmix right now, I can't show you on here, but if you type in on eBay 100-ounce bars, you will see a listing for Atmix with a special price for 25 cents over spot. Now, after credit card, even if you have a 1% credit card, guys, it's 11, 12 cents over spot for a 100-ounce bar, for a Johnson Matthey bar. Very good deal. The other good deal, and I want you guys to take note. You know how you guys all search for Atmix, Liberty. What's another one? What the heck is that called? Their trademark, their marketing trademark is the bull. Bullion Exchange. Bullion Exchange. You know, all these other sites that have like, deals and special prices that they have on eBay. There might be a new kid on the block, guys. Stax Bowers. I'm sure you're familiar with Stax, the auctioning site, one of the largest auctioning sites for, like, I guess, coins and artwork, maybe, and other stuff. But I've noticed some pretty darn good deals with these guys. So you might want to keep note of Stax Bowers. Specifically speaking, they have right now a phenomenal deal. I think it's a phenomenal deal for a $20 Liberty. Okay, guys, so they have a 18. If you search this in your search query, you just type in $20 Liberty for your search results. They have a 1873 $20 Gold Liberty Double Eagle Open 3 PCGS AU 50 for $1,345, guys. I don't know what your budget is, but if you have the budget, that is a phenomenal deal because the melt value currently is, we'll say for argument's sake, to round it, make it easier math, we'll say it's 1270. Okay, so 1270 and 1345, you're looking at 75. So for argument's sake, $80 over spot. $80 over spot for an earlier Liberty, PCGS graded AU 50. Now with credit card, if you take the credit card off, that works. We'll just say, argument's sake, $13. So 1345. So that would make it 1332. So 1332. So you take off, $80. You're looking at like 60, just under $70 over spot for an earlier Liberty. Plus, on top of that, you're getting $100 in eBucks. So technically, if you want to look at it, you're getting it for below spot. Now, Liberties, guys. I mean, Liberties command a higher premium usually than a St. Gaudens. Because when you go get a St. Gaudens, guys, Atmix has special prices sometimes for the Mint State 64 St. Gaudens. They're usually like $115, $120 or so over spot. Go try getting a Liberty Mint State 64 for $115 over spot. You're not. You're going to pay $300, and that's 9 times out of 10, that's going to be for a 1904 date. So absolutely, I think, personally speaking, it's a random. One other comment I'm going to make. Sorry, guys. The one other comment I'm going to make is that there's multitudes of this, and it's a stock photo. So, you could be getting something that looks like really nice, or you could be getting something that looks kind of scudsy, or it's got scuff marks, or maybe a deep scratch, or something like that. So keep that in mind. But even for a random date, it's so cheap that I personally speaking, even if the coin didn't look that great, wouldn't be too picky because it's so cheap. It's the same thing with the $20 St. Gaudens Mid State 64 random date that Atmix puts out for a special price. Um, so that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. Hope you got something out of it. I will possibly or most likely be doing a video tomorrow, and the topic will be on the risks of gold and silver and platinum. All right, guys. Hope you got something out of this, and have a nice day.